Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel Coding with Krunal. Today we will discuss about introduction of basic components. So first of all, discuss about linear layout. Here we change layout, linear layout. Select text to copy and paste here. Orientation vertical. Here we show two text view one by one. Text view. Change property gravity. Side center. Here change text attribute. Change text. This is linear. Layout. Edit text. Set width and height. Match and wrap my content. Then checkbox. Set property height and width, match parent, wrap content. Change attribute, text like checkbox. Next one, image view. Select image view and set height and width. Here set height 150 dp and set src. It's called a source of image. Here we select paths, add red, drawable, IC launcher, background. Here we show image. Run project. Successfully run, and here we show text view, edit text, checkbox and image. Now discuss about drawable. How to add external images. Click on desktop image, right click, copy that, paste in drawable folder. Select path and click OK. Here you want to change name, otherwise click OK. Here we show our rendering image.jpg. Now change path, remove IC background and click rendering. Here look, here our set image. After run, and now we show that. After that button, the basic component button, set property, height and width, and set text attribute like a text submit button. After run, successfully run our project, and here we show our all basic components. Hello world. This is a linear layout is the text, and here we edit text box. This is edit text. After click on checkbox, click check uncheck and submit button, click on it.